Hey, it's Dan here, and close to 2 weeks ago, I watched Cast Iron Wednesday from Dave from D.A. Barry Outdoors. Um, I will leave a card to his video. He did a smoked sausage video, and I'll leave a link to his channel down below. But 3 simple ingredients is what he did. He had these Johnsonville brats. He had some sauerkraut, and he had some Tony Satchery. Now, after hearing about how he cooked it, and when I say hearing about it, I really mean hearing about it. You'll have to check out the video to understand what I mean. I figured I'd make my own little twist on it because I love sauerkraut, I love smoked sausage. If you've seen one of my videos, I did smoked sausage with green beans about a month ago, and I might leave a card up there for that too. You never know. But you really need to check out his channel. I like his channel a lot. He does some bow hunting, he does some cast iron cooking, and right now he's in the middle of a smoker build, and he's showing step by step how he's making a homemade smoker out of one of those huge propane tanks. But if you go over there, tell him Dan sent you from Dan's Outdoors, or Outdoor Cooking. My God, I forgot my own channel name, but it's been a long day. It's 20 after 7. This Cast Iron Wednesday is just going to be in a skillet again. I will soon get back to my Dutch oven cooking. It's just the weather's been crazy here in Indiana, and my work schedule's been crazy and everything. If you can tell, it's a little windy right here, so I didn't want to fight with cold management and all that other stuff. But let me get my skillet going, and I'll show you my version inspired by Dave at D.A. Barry Outdoors. I'll be right back with you. Alright, I got my 12-inch lodge going here, and I got a little bit of canola oil down in the bottom. I cut up all 6 of those Johnsonville brats, and we're just going to cook them up first. And I'm just going to stir them around and everything till they get all cooked. I'll be back here in just a few minutes. Alright, these are browning up real nicely. I'm going to move them all over to this side just for a second. And I'm going to show you guys a little secret that I do every now and then. Because I needed the canola oil in there to get those nice and crispy. But I don't want all that canola oil in there when I go to add the kraut and everything else. So I'll take me some paper towel on a tong. And I try to soak up a whole bunch of it. Alright, that there got rid of almost all the grease that was in there. So now, just putting the whole jar of kraut in here, juice and all. Get that stirred around nicely. Man, that kraut cooking smells great. Alright. And then Dave said his third and final ingredient was his Tony Satchery. So I'm going to sprinkle me a liberal amount of Tony Satchery on top of here. I'm going to get that all stirred up. But, you know, I took my idea from his video, but I've got to make every meal I cook my own. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a little bit of a red pepper flake. Just to kick it up a little notch. Then I've got a can of sliced potatoes. Get all this stirred together real good. Man, this is already smelling wonderful. I'm not really sure how long it's going to take to cook until the potatoes are nice and tender, but I'll be back with you as soon as it's done. And hopefully most of this liquid will cook out also. Alright, these potatoes are starting to get nice and soft. I've cooked out almost all the liquid. I'm afraid if I cook 100% of the liquid out, I might start burning the kraut to the bottom or whatnot. But the potatoes are very soft. I can split them real easy. Everything's cooked through. I'm going to call this done. I'm going to go get myself a plate made up, and I'll be back with my taste test. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see this plate full, but let's see how it tastes. Let me get a little bit of kraut in the sausage. Let me try a piece of potato. Very good. I'm going to have a good dinner tonight. Like I said at the beginning, check out Dave from D.A. Berry Outdoors, wonderful channel. If you guys like the recipes that I do and my cooking and everything, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I try to put out a video a week or so. Y'all have a blessed day. I'll see you next week or next time.